Welcome everybody to a channel I call My Stride. Today I'm walking through Arlington, Virginia, part of it called Clarendon. Just a quick walk, good for everybody to go outside, good for me to walk around. This used to be a little tavern, can you tell? Pizza place. We got the Thai food. If you live in the area or visit, you got international foods everywhere here. You got Thai food, it's delicious. And we got Kebab Bazaar. There's CVS right here. Please like, hit the subscribe button so I can keep this channel going. This is it. This is the main strip where most young people party on a Friday night, Saturday night. This is Don Tito. Excellent food. And next door is the famous Spider Kelly's. Nobody here right now. Everybody's sitting in a parking lot called 395 South. Not many people out at all, actually. Everybody's back to work in person. Got the Clarendon Ballroom up here. I went to a fashion show once there. Beautiful place. They got a rooftop bar. Rooftop bars are real popular here in Clarendon. Great place for wedding, reception, like I'm doing advertising for them. But beautiful spot. And their neighbor, the Liberty Tavern. Man, I gotta watch where I step. But look at nobody out today. It's a beautiful day. It was freezing, but I'm out. That was Triple B at Arlington now. Look at that. It used to be a Silver Diner, you can tell. But got billiards. Nothing down that way. Many famous people come from here. Sandra Bullock, Katie Couric. Imagine them partying on the strip. I got to come back at night when it's more exciting. Al Gore lives down the way. O'Sullivan's. Sorry about my finger, everybody, but look at that sun. Man, it's shining on everybody equally. Look how beautiful it is. When you're grouchy, you're having a rough day, sometimes it's good to go for a little walk. Sometimes longer walks. All right, we got pizza here. Hot Stone Pizza. Imagine living here. I'd have a huge food bill, but apartments everywhere. And more apartments coming. We got sushi, everybody. I used to get California rolls with a salmon skin. That was my favorite back in the day. And now I'm a more basic tuna guy. Easy on the wasabi. Getting older. All right, nothing down here. It's across the street. We're headed to Bar Bow on the other side of the street. Over there is the North Side Social. That's a real popular coffee shop. That place gets packed. But this place will change. Wait in 10 years and watch this video, we'll have a completely different set of restaurants. I knew a Bao. He was a good guy. I think he's in Hollywood now. Our Bao's big. It's a lot of sushi you gotta sell. Make your rent. Man, no better spot to hit the nightlife. Sweet Green. And this is great, Tony's Pizza. This reminds me of going to the boardwalk. Maybe Ocean City. Rehoboth, Bethany. Then we got the Toastique. I never had toast. I'm going to have to try this place sometime on a Sunday morning when my head hurts. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope your day is going well. I'll be back with more videos in the area. I'll do better next time.